Welcome back to another MISys video with Brand Consulting. Today we're going to be talking about bins.
Alright, so where we're going to start is we're going to create our outside process by coming here to New. And we're going to make the item P75. Stamping. And we're going to be dealing with three tabs today. The Master tab, the Stock tab, and the Suppliers tab. Extended description. When we reference number, we can fill that out. Sales item number, we're not going to fill this one out at all because we will never sell an outside process. And we're going to go here, outside processing, and unit cost is 0.25. Now, this is the main part that we need to pay attention to, because for outside processing, it is essentially the cost of what it takes to get this processed outside. Each and each. And the inventory cycle, because we really don't count these, we would count the finished product. We wouldn't count these ones, so we can put these ones on inventory cycle 99 or any cycle count that we don't really need to count. So for stock, what we need to pay attention here is lead days. So if it takes a week, and these are calendar days, so we put this in and it's 7 calendar days for us to get this back. And we don't need to worry about location here. So for suppliers, this is where we select our supplier. And this is the person that we actually send these out to. So Designer's Corner, they are preferred. For unit conversion, let's say that we need to send out 1,000. 1,000 times 25 cents makes our base price $25. So we're going to save that. That's the basic outline of how to get an outside process done.
If you found this helpful, please like, share, subscribe, comment below, let us know what else we can help you with. Thanks.